Kazakhstan Peacemaking Brigade participated in the peacekeeping exercise Inviolable Brotherhood 2013 in Russia. The Inviolable Brotherhood 2013 entered in the active phase. The CSTO peacemaking forces have held series of tactical drills in Chelyabinsk region of Russia at the Chebarkul training area. The members of coalition, including the divisions of the armed forces of Armenia, Belarus, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Tajikistan, and Kazakhstan, a multinational group began practicing practical actions with receiving humanitarian aid and its delivery to the destination. However, the developers artificially created difficulties. The units of Kazakhstan Peacemaking Brigade for the first time used a mobile checkpoint as the method of air policing. According to the military experts, it may permanently enter into the training peacekeeping operations after successful testing of this technology. Kazakhstan Peacemaking Brigade participated in all three tactical episodes, such as protection of an area where the humanitarian aid will arrive, and the operation of holding off an attack on a convoy of peacekeepers, and the work with the local population. The divisions are very well prepared. The brigades are ready to carry out combat missions. It is a pleasure to work with the CSTO peacekeeping forces because the commanders are highly qualified. The technologies and weapons are ready for battle. The Kazakhstan Peacemaking Brigade was well prepared for these drills. The most qualified people participated in the peacekeeping drills.